So I unplugged the back, plugged it back in, flipped it to the on, and when I press this button, you get a couple orangish, yellowish, and then the fans are spinning in the back, but it doesn't go green like the other one. The other one is green when it goes. I've unplugged it, I've turned it off and turned it back on. If I just turn it off, the fans stay going. But if I unplug it, obviously it comes off. Then when I plug it back in, so I'll turn it off, those stay going. Oh, there's your spot. If I unplug it, plug it back in, get a little pop, boom, got the lights light up there when it's on. And then, but still, only getting the yellow. Hopefully it's a simple fix. Let me know. Thank you.